Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Sparta, New Jersey. As you can see, we've redone our system. It looks much neater. I have two inverters, two charge controllers, a battery fuse combiner. I've added a battery monitor, and then I have my BMS. What's left to do will be for us to get a box to enclose this, and I'll tell you why that's important. One of the Chevy Volt batteries we had, actually two of them, caught on fire, and we're very fortunate that it did not burn the house down. It was localized within the battery box, which was a wooden box, and it covered the house in soot. So we are going to get a metal box to prevent this from happening in the future. If you like what you see, please click subscribe